tell from the title of this video, today I'm going to be showing you guys little home updates, or basically home update items that I bought from Amazon. And everything that I'm going to mention here today is of course from Amazon, so I'm going to make sure that I do include a link of each items, links to the vendors, or yeah, so you can know where to get them. It's that time of the year again where I feel like updating certain things in my house, and the right time for me is usually around December, almost Christmas. I love the chaos behind it. Even though the house is not brand new, I just like to make it feel, you know, to feel new, welcoming the new year in a different way. Yeah, so that's me. Anyway, without any further rambling, let's just get on it and let me show you a couple of items that I bought. It's quite a lot, so I'm gonna try to go as fast as I can, so yeah, bear with me. Grab yourself a cup of coffee or whatever you got, beverage of your choice, and let's do this together. So currently I'm in the trend of black, so I decided to go ahead and purchase a few items for my bathroom. And of course, take this out of the packaging. It's a little tap right there. It's black, it's matte, it's so cute, but it's so cute. It is a tap, of course. This is how it comes, just like that, and you can like open and close whichever direction you choose to open and close. And it's got a little filter right there, and of course this is the back. And it comes with a little closer. Pot goes to the wall, and of course this is how it would be looking facing you. So cute. And then there's another tap. It comes in a little bag like this, and this is it. This is how it comes. It comes just like so. I did not put it together. It comes like this, and I figured this would be nice for like the laundry area, the laundry sink, or the kitchen somewhere. Yeah. And of course I ordered all of them from goes onto the wall. You can purchase them that come from the ground up. That's if your drain comes from the ground, but mine comes from the wall, so this is how it could be standing like so. And it comes with all the components that you need, which are this, I don't know what to call them, yo guys, so I don't know. So I just know they're supposed to go to the wall. I don't know what they're called. Okay, as long as I know where they go. And of course I've got another one right here. Yep. And when I open it, I am greeted with this black, all of them are black, little handle for the shower, and this is the shower head, just like so. I like that all of them are black and they're matte, because I'm trying to get away from the aluminium or chrome. I'm trying to get away from the chrome colors and basically update them to black, because I have been so fond of black nowadays. Black, everything looks so good and it's so up to date and it's aesthetically pleasing to me. So yeah, so this one is another shower head, but this one mainly goes onto the bathtub, and it comes with everything as I mentioned. Everything, nothing out of place, nothing is missing. Another tap, and this one goes onto your sink or basin area, and again it's so cute. I love the shape of it, square, it's so modern, just like that. It's onto the wall like so. That's it. And then I went ahead and purchased some wall sockets, and I fell in love with them at first glance when I saw them, and I knew I had to get them for my house. Beautiful and black, and it actually lights up blue right here upon connection. So I made sure I bought for each and every room in my house and get them updated. Like, I'm over the white wall sockets or any other color for that matter. So I went ahead and bought like 7 of this or 8 of this. You can get them in different sizes, in different colors. And of course, and let's not forget about the kitchen, y'all. So I went ahead and purchased these lights as well. These are the ones that go underneath your cabinet. The good thing about this is the fact that you don't have to plug them onto the wall socket. Basically, they are rechargeable. I bought 3 of them. They're about 50 centimeters each. 50 centimeters. And what you do is gotta find the switch, put it underneath your cabinet, and you switch it on. Like, oh, is it dead? Switch it on, tape it underneath, switch it on, and then you can always switch it off or change the brightness. Actually, you can change the brightness by pressing the button right here. See that it's warm light you want, and of course this is where you actually get to recharge it, and it comes with a charger. So the charger looks like USB charger, just like that. And then what do we have here that I have not yet opened? So if I don't break anything. Oh, some more lights. Oh, so this is another light that I can find a place to put on my house. Again, it's a rechargeable light, especially because of power outage in your area. These are must have in your household. And of course it has a light switch on this side right there, and you can just switch it on, put it somewhere in your house. And yeah, I love it so much that I went ahead and purchased 2. I went ahead and purchased 2 of them. And of course you don't have to make any walls in your house. As you can see at the back, there is nothing to hang them on, so it comes with this little sticky thingy, and you can just put it at the back. Oh, it's actually magnetic, so every time you need to recharge, you pull it up, charge it, put it back where it belongs. It comes with some instructions right there. You can read them and follow just in case you are confused and don't want to be confused. So yeah, I found this to be quite cute, y'all. It's yet another light, but this one needs to be plugged up there. It has like a little I'll call this like a Chanel light. It's not a chandelier, but it's a Chanel light. This one is not rechargeable, so it comes with all the things, the screws and the nails that you're gonna need to mount it somewhere. And yeah, so I can't test it if it's working or not until I get my husband to put it up. But yeah. And then the other thing that I had to have was a soap dispenser for the bathroom. It's beautiful. It's black, rose gold trim around it. And oh, so this is where the soap comes from. I think it has like a sensor. I could be lying. Oh yeah, so this is where you turn it on. You turn it on here. I haven't charged it yet, and then it's gonna show me something like this. Oh yeah, it actually does have an automatic sensor. It is cordless, and it says it's easy installation. It has a smart LCD. So I went ahead and got myself a toothbrush sanitizer slash toothpaste dispenser. It's 2-in-1, and this is how it looks basically. And of course as well, this one is a rechargeable one. Charge it right here, and what you do is basically put your toothpaste right here. It's an automatic toothpaste dispenser. Of course it has an LCD screen right here, and every couple of minutes, or depending with how you've set it, it sanitizes your toothbrushes. Yeah, I found this to be quite cute, quite modern, and I really wanted to try it out. So yeah, and I believe that's all for today. I hope that you enjoyed this little home update from Amazon haul, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And until next time, bye.